Hey everyone, you're watching SDMOTech. So in this video we're gonna find out what's new in iOS 13. So let's go ahead. Alright, so let's figure out what changes in iOS 13 compared to the previous generation iOS 12. So as you can see, I've got two iPhone 7 on your screen. So this one features iOS 12.4.1 and this one is latest iOS 13. So let's start. Here we go. The power button. As you can see, there's no changes at all. For your information, the symbols from the network bar and the battery, it's a little bit bolded and a little bit smaller compared to iOS 12. Alright, so let's start it up. Alright, so there's, as you can see, new wallpapers have arrived. So let's go to the photos. There we go. Some changes over here, months, year, days, as you can see, and there's nothing on the previous generation. It's kind of same, but in the iOS 13 there's little changes like this. We can select from here, or you can add it up like this, or you can maximize or minimize the thumbnail also the way you want. Alright, and it's still the same. There we can see. Alright, let's start the Safari browser. As you can see, still the same, but the iOS 13 is a little bit faster compared to the iOS 13, which is a little bit slow. Not that kinda, but a little bit slow. Alright, let's start music. There we go. Alright, this one is good and faster compared to the iOS 12, but looks same. Alright, and let's check the settings from here. What we have got, anything else? There's no changes from here, as you can see. I'll just go back to the accessibility. There we go. And in iOS 12 it's under general. There we can see there's the icons from here, and in iOS 12 there's no icons from here. That kind of changes from here. Alright, let's check the other features we got, and we've got the dark mode finally from here. You can go to the dark mode. Where is it? There you go. Alright, in the previous generations there's no dark mode, as you can see, only the night shift. Alright, I'll just turn it off, and there you go. That's my favorite changes in iOS 13, and it's kind of awesome for your eyes. Alright, let's see what it will look. As you can see, this one looks a little bit dark, so that we've changed that dark theme. And now check the photos and all. Oh, it looks nice compared to the iOS 12. Alright, and this one is better for your eyes. Alright, let's see what's changes in that dark mode. I'll just open music. Alright, it changes everything on your iPhone, there, as you can see. Alright, so let's see what changes in the Apple TV. Nothing at all. It's dark. That's wall also dark. Alright, so that's all. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe me, and I'll see you on the next video.